Start. Dive into. To start doing something enthusiastically or with great interest. Let's dive into the project. She dived into her studies. Solve. Sort out. To solve a problem or difficulty. We'll sort out the issue tomorrow. She sorted out the problem quickly. Refuse. Pass on. To refuse or decide not to accept something. I'll pass on the invitation. She passed on the job offer. Accept. Go with. To accept an idea, proposal, or suggestion. I'll go with your idea this time. They went with her suggestion. Choose. Go with. To decide on a particular option from several choices. Let's go with the cheaper option. She went with the blue dress. Match. Go with. To match or look good together. These shoes go with my dress. The blue curtains go with the walls. Understand. Catch on. To begin to understand something. He caught on quickly. It took me a while to catch on. Improve. Brush up on. To improve a skill or knowledge by reviewing or practicing it again. I need to brush up on my English. She is brushing up on her math skills. Relax. Kick back. To relax and enjoy yourself. I just want to kick back this evening. After work, I like to kick back and watch TV. Leave quickly. Take off. To leave somewhere quickly. He took off without saying goodbye. We need to take off now. Become successful. Take off. To become successful or popular very quickly. Her business really took off last year. The video took off online. Distribute. Hand out. To give something to a group of people. The teacher handed out the worksheets. The volunteers handed out food to the crowd. Increase. Step up. To increase the amount, level, or intensity of something. We need to step up our efforts. The company stepped up production. Reduce. Scale back. To reduce the size, amount, or level of something. We need to scale back our budget. The company scaled back production due to low demand. Eliminate. Rule out. To dismiss or eliminate something from consideration or as a possibility. She ruled out the idea after careful consideration. Doctors ruled out a serious illness. Complete. See through. To continue doing something until it is successfully completed. We need to see the project through. She saw the task through to the end. Mention. Bring up. To mention or introduce a topic in a conversation. Don't bring up that topic again. She brought up the issue at the meeting. Discuss. Talk over. To discuss something carefully in order to make a decision. We need to talk over the budget. Let's talk over your idea first. Consider. Think over. To think carefully about something before making a decision. I'll think over your suggestion. I need some time to think it over. Recover. Get over. To recover from an illness, problem, or unpleasant experience. He got over the flu quickly. We're still trying to get over the loss. Avoid. Stay away from. To avoid someone or something. Try to stay away from junk food. You should stay away from negative people. Return a call. Call back. To telephone someone again or return a phone call. I'll call you back later. Please call me back when you're free. Contact. Get in touch with. To contact or communicate with someone. Please get in touch with me if you need help. She got in touch with her old friend.